How to set up a WordPress site in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to set up a WordPress website. If you see a WordPress link here on the right, you can click it. Otherwise, click the Applications tab. Then click WordPress. From here you can learn more about the WordPress app, or just install it. That's it! WordPress has been installed, and we can now begin to manage our new website. You can modify your WordPress settings, including changing your site name. You can also manage WordPress themes and manage WordPress plugins directly from here in Plesk. You can log into WordPress from here as well. This is the main admin page of your WordPress installation, and it is from here that you can completely manage your website. You can view a live version of your WordPress site from here as well. This is what your WordPress website looks like so far. Return to the WordPress admin page to modify its look and feel with themes and plugins, and to update its content. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up a WordPress site in Plesk.